Good morning, everybody. Um, right now, I just showing everybody my collection. You got baseball cards, football cards. I don't collect hockey. I don't know nothing about hockey, soccer, NASCAR. I mean, I collect them. I guess once in a while when they Earnhardt was alive. You got the Score, 2018. A little bit of platinum. This is the brand new 2020. Right here, Topps. It comes in a tin if you're lucky to find any left in Walmart. Right here, it comes with a box. Then it comes with a medallion rookie card in each box. Now, not the hanger, but the big boxes. I call it the big boxes. That's the hanger pack. And that comes with this if you're lucky to get some. It's not guaranteed. But this is an insert. And if you win register with Topps, you get a home run challenge, and you win. You gotta guess the player, what day that he gonna make the home run, and you'll be eligible for the 2021 home run challenge. All this right here are inserts from the 2020, all of it. Yeah, I'm in love with that. Fall for it. It's beautiful. This right here, 2015. All the 2015 collection. As you can see, I got some hanger boxes. I'm like a hoarder. All this is empty. I opened all this today, so my wife is gonna be a little upset today. Got the Donruss Elite. All this is a box of basketball cards. Of course, I found some Kobe Bryant's up in there. It's called a winning ticket, and that's Heritage. I mean, it's alright. 2018. That's Optic. Now, that Optic Donruss is real nice. This right here is a mixture of baseball cards. All this. You got Iron Riddle. You got Stadium. You got Upper Deck. You got Topps. You got Donruss. I got them mixed up. I got Leaf. You know, I got a lot of assortments out here. Now, I got the 2015 over here. That's another set. And I got some of the Top Finest. I like that too. It's just a little bit expensive. I got the little baby little baseball players, whatever you want to call it. I got more inserts over here. By the way, these are the doubles for the 2020. All this so far, all the boxes I went through, these are the ones I think is worth anything. That's King Gifford Jr. That's graded. All this right here, they belong to the mixed set. That's full. This is full. Open this. That's full. That's a different varieties of baseball, basketball cards. I even got Fortnite. I played Fortnite. I'm at level 100, so ain't nothing else to play with. I'm waiting for season 3, season 2 come out, whatever. You got the sleeves right here. Over here, you got some more baseball cards. Shoebox be cool, folks. But it's real good. Come over here. Got another shoebox. Make sure you don't mess it up. And you come over here. Oh, look at all these boxes right here. They got cards in each one of them. And then I got some packs that I don't open. I'm just like that because, you know, you can wait 20, 30 years. As long as it's not bent, I don't mind it. I don't mind collecting packs. As long as it's old, not too new. Look at this right here. You got some more boxes. I ain't got boxes I didn't even open. Look at this. Got 1, 2, 3. Got autographic and signatures and threads. This is nice right here. So I got packs right here. And Donruss or Teats Poppy. You got Over here you got tops. And I mostly get retail. And I don't mind getting hobby packs, but it's a little more expensive. What's The Walking Dead? I was into Walking Dead. I got Rick, the doll. That was it. But I'm gonna make another video because I don't know how to add videos to another video. So we could do a live video on these three right here. So cover that up. Pretty much, I'm almost done with the 2020 set. We could do a review on that too. Alright, y'all. Let me see how much all this is worth. And that's why I'm doing calculating, you know, with a common card, it already probably worth 10 cents. But these inserts are real nice. Alright, y'all. Be blessed and be careful out there. Alright, peace.